Hello everyone! Now I'm going to guide you through the steps to assemble the machine as well as how to use the HyperXY machine. When you receive the machine box and open it, you'll find the following accessories. First, there's the power adapter, the largest one, which we'll use to connect the machine to a power source. Second, this is the machine's power unit, which we'll use to adjust the voltage during the procedure. Next is the main body of the machine, and it comes with a head. This head is the one we use for single needle operation, compatible with all types of single needles. Lastly, there's the power cable, which connects the machine to the power adapter. Now, let's proceed to assemble the machine. First, I'll take the power adapter. Inside this large power adapter, there's a Type-C port. Here, it's a flat port. On the machine's power unit, you'll also see a Type-C port. We'll plug this end in, just plug it in here. Then we'll connect it to the power source and the machine will be ready to operate. Next, I'll attach the power cable. I'll connect this power cable to the main body of the machine. The power cable has two ends, one large and one small. We'll take the large end or the round end, the big one. If you look closely, underneath the main body of the machine, there's a round socket. I'll plug this end in here. When plugging it in, make sure not to just insert it loosely like this, because it won't connect to the power source. When you plug it in, you need to push it in firmly, push it in tightly so it connects properly to the machine. The other end of the cable, I'll plug into the power adapter. There's a round hole here, just plug it in. Now, we've connected the machine to the power adapter. After everything is connected, we can now power on the machine. You can see here, there's a round knob. To turn on the machine, just press it once. There, the machine will start running. And now we'll adjust the machine's voltage. We'll turn it, rotating from left to right, and the voltage will increase. See, the numbers are being displayed on the screen. And conversely, if we turn it in the opposite direction, the voltage will decrease. And when you want to stop the machine, you just press this round button again. That will stop the machine. Besides that, on the power supply, there's also a small round button here. This is the mode button. We use this button to switch between different modes when performing techniques. So, when I press it, you'll see it cycles through, and the green letters change, indicating which mode it's in. Here, we're using this machine for eyebrows, so we'll just use the nomad mode. Here, press it once, and when it switches like this, it means it's in that mode. Then press the start button, and the machine will operate. If you accidentally switch to another mode, just press the round button again to return to the correct mode, and then you can start the machine. Now we will proceed to install the needle. This is the 14-pin needle. Here, and the tip has two types. The 14-pin needle tip, which is round and smaller than the single-pin needle tip. Currently, the 14-pin needle tip is connected to the body of the machine, and now I will attach this needle. I will place it, I'll insert the needle into that round hole, then twist it. Now the needle is securely attached to the body of the machine. I'll press start. There, my needle is running now, as you can see. And when we want to adjust the needle length, on the body of the machine, there are numbers from 0 to 5. If you want the needle to be longer, you just turn the body of the machine from left to right, and the needle will extend. Similarly, if you turn it the other way, the needle will get shorter, so you can adjust it as needed while performing the technique. And now, we will continue the process by carefully attaching the single needle tip B. To do this, you just need to slowly unscrew this protective cap right here. We turn it from left to right and it will come off like this. Then, just take this tip and attach it. Twist it clockwise so that the tip is securely fastened to the body of the machine. Next, I'll insert the single needle here. I have a single needle, so I'll attach it for everyone to see. The individual single needle tip assembly actually has two distinct and separate sections with two indented parts and two very small protruding alignment tabs. So when we begin to assemble it, we must carefully align those two tabs with the two indented parts located at the tip. Can you all hear that distinct clicking sound as it locks into place? So, we tighten it by turning from right to left, tightening it in a clockwise direction so the needle is secure and firmly attached to the machine head. That's it. Now, I press to start the machine and adjust the needle depth as usual.